Hello and welcome. So today we'll be building a fully responsive CSS card layout. Before we get started, kindly subscribe to my channel. That will be really appreciated. So let's test this out if it is really responsive. So now we're going to go into inspect. You can see here we have 3 cards, and if we reduce, we have 2, we have 1. So this is fully responsive. Let's get started. Okay, now that we have our folder set up, we have to create a file. We name this index.html, and we create a file called and we'll be linking our CSS. And we'll be creating a div called card, and we're going to simply just duplicate this. So go here, select our universal tag with the asterisks, we open it up and we do padding 0, margin 0, then we say box sizing, border box, brilliant. Then go into our body and we say width 100%, height 100 view height, and we say display flex, we say flex wrap. This is where the magic happens. Wrap, we say justify content, center, align items, center. This is basically because we want to center all our cards. So now do dot card. Okay, select the class of card and we say width. Let's check out what we have done so far. Okay, as you can see, it's still blank. Now let's create our card. Give this card a width of 200 pixels and a height of 270 pixels. Give it a border radius of 10 pixels, a color, background color, hash 3D. Okay, good gray color. Okay, let's see what we have. So you can see here we have our cards, but this looks horrible and they're joined together. And last thing we have to do concerning the card is give it a margin of 10 pixels. You can see they are spaced apart. Very good. Sorry, not justify content center. We want to space between. Okay, very good. So now what we have to do is test it and see if it works. Now go into inspect. Okay, so far so good. Now we're done with the important part of our project. So one more thing, we want to place this in the center of the screen. Okay, so to do that we say justify content center. Alright, you can see our card is always on the center of our screen. Wonderfully done. So now we're adding some finishing touches. I'm going to go over here and add hello world inside all our cards. So to do that, we just say h3 and as a text of hello world. So as you can see here, we have this hello world at the left hand corner of our card. So in order to fix that, we use our little trick which we learned in the last video. Okay, so now go over here and we say in our card we say display, flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Alright, let's see what we have. Okay, one more thing, we give our h3 tag a color of white. Brilliant. As you can see, we're almost done. Just one little trick left. So we give the box shadow of 1 pixel by 4 pixels. Then we say hash color similar to this, we want the darker tint of it. Okay, 141414. That looks good. Then we say dot card hover. This is to give it an effect when we hover upon our cards. Okay, this is the last line of code. We write in here 4px, 7 4px, and 7px. Alright, let's see what we have. Alright, it's beautifully done. Now let's test. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe and wait the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment suggesting what we should do next. Thank you. See you on the next one.